Okay, now we have our gas line in place, set up to connect the water heater once we put it in place. And before we put the water heater in place, we've got a few more adjustments to make. Right here, we're going to take the hot water heater cutoff, and we're going to sweat that short piece of copper you see sticking out of there. We're going to pull it out of there, so we have to heat it up first. And once we get it out, we're going to clean it up, and we're going to start making our preparations for the connection of the water heater. Right here, we're taking our 3/4 inch wire brush, cleaning the inside of the cutoff valve.